I'm just gonna portage the kayak over this little spit of land over here. That way I can avoid all that craziness over there. There we go, we're back in the river and we're rapidly moving the opposite direction we were a few hours ago. Man, that current is ripping. If I were to stay on this river, it would take me to a lake full of icebergs and an enormous glacier that's calving into the lake. I really want to go see that, but that'll have to wait for tomorrow. Oh, son of a gun. Well, that wasn't great. Well, there we go. We caught dinner and survived to tell the tale.